Alright, so I have a long history with the DIY Watch Club. The Diver series is actually the first of the builds that I tried with the kit that they sent out to the channel. And you guys can see that video right here. I actually show you the entire build from start to finish. It was my first one and actually my most proud build of all. This one here actually came out really nicely. I was very happy with that. Then they came out with the Pilot series. Here it is, full build. Was able to complete that. That one also has the customized rotor that DIY can include for an extra charge. You can actually check out that video right here. And of course that brings us to today, which is the GMT. I'm not going to reveal it yet, but basically I'm going to just show you guys just a very brief assembly to show you guys how it was like to put together. I will admit, out of the three watches, the GMT took me the longest. It was the most difficult. And if you're a first-time DIYer, I would recommend doing a three-hander first before diving into a GMT. So besides the three here that I have built, they actually came out with another GMT version, the Rolex Explorer 2. Check this one out, guys. I actually, if I were to be able to choose, I would definitely choose that Explorer version. I don't know. What do you guys think down below? But today we're going to build the Coke version, and let's just roll the film and see how that build went. All right, so as you saw, I did complete the watch, but I will say that I was glad that I did this build, because this one was the most challenging out of the 3 that I've done by far. And I think it's because of a couple of reasons. That is our ice cream truck. So for those that aren't familiar with the ice cream trucks in America, there you go. This is for my UK peeps out there. So, yeah, so the sandwich dial was definitely an additional step where you had to actually marry the bottom dial with the top dial to form the sandwich. It's a very nice look, but yeah, there was definitely an extra step involved, including a spring that you had to put on the axis that you did see back in the video. The other thing was, you know, it's hard enough to put 3 hands on, but in this one you got to put 4 hands on. So I got 3 hands on pretty good, but that took a lot of time. So by the time it came down to the 4th hand, and of course the 4th hand is indeed the 2nd hand, which is the hardest hand to put on to a watch. So by the time it got to that point, my eyes were so tired, and I was literally going cross-eyed, and my eyes were literally hurting in a way that I can't even remember the last time I felt that. So it does require a lot of eye strain. Of course, you're going to use the loop, but what I would recommend is don't do it late at night like I did. I did this right before bedtime, okay? Unlike this video I'm doing here. Secondly, if you're growing frustrated, if you're getting impatient like I was making even more mistakes. And sadly for me, because of that, and I'm going to show you, I actually broke the crown because I was impatient and I was doing things that I shouldn't have been doing because I was tired, I was frustrated. So just being fully transparent, I don't place the blame on DIY, all right? I place it on me. So you must have a state of mind where you have complete quietness. You are dedicating a time and a place for you to be able to concentrate and focus. And also, if you are growing frustrated, if you are tired, please put the project down and do it again the next day. Trust me on that one. So that's where I've made my mistakes, and I paid for it dearly. So I'm gonna have to get a new crown from DIY to try to alleviate the situation and have a working watch. It is ticking away, obviously, but obviously I'm not gonna be able to set the time on this one. So again, no fault to DIY. It was another fun kit. I really highly recommend DIY Watch Club for those that really want to start modifying watches on their own. This will give you the confidence to either do so, or maybe it will tell you, like myself, that maybe this isn't for me. Watch modding, as fun as I know it can be, it's not my cup of tea. And the DIY Watch Club has actually shown me that as I get older, I have less patience. I have my eyes aren't so great, and it's just, for me, it just wasn't as fun as the first project was. And again, this is not on DIY, but this is a progression for me that I've realized that watch modding isn't for me. So I save it to the experts. I want to thank you guys for joining me. And always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. If you want to grab one of these kits, I'm obviously going to put the link down below. Definitely makes a great Christmas present, makes a great birthday gift for that watch enthusiast, and of course it makes a great gift for yourself. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining me, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.